Going to Nusa Penida. That's a hotel.
Yeah, you're in charge of this.
What?
Return ticket? There.
Otherwise we're screwed. Either the boat is stuck or the anchor is stuck. But you got this guy up there in his boxers pushing with the bamboo stick. And then you've got his friend out there trying to deal the anchor. But who knows what's actually going on. Oh, I think we made it. I think we're about to get on this boat now. That just pulled up next to us. We're pretty far away from the shore still. Hello. We're here. This is Semabu Hills. It's nicer than I thought it was gonna be. Bathroom. But the best part is the view. Good morning. It's our first morning on Nusa Penida. Today we are going to ride down to Crystal Bay and try and just get a snorkeling tour without like booking it ahead of time. So I really hope this works. When we went to Tegalalang Rice Terraces, we thought, oh, we'll just show up and not have a tour, and we couldn't really figure out what we were doing. We didn't get to experience it the way we should have experienced it. But today we're gonna try and do the same thing. But the people at the front told us that if you just show up, there's people always trying to do the tours. So hopefully it all works out. It's beautiful today. And also we heard that riding the scooter can be kind of sketchy in Nusa Penida. So hopefully that goes okay too, because we're renting a scooter from the hotel.
Hold my neck muscle. Should be fun trying to drive a scooter.
Yeah. So this song is really loud, and we figured out that they just keep replaying the same song over and over again. This is a lot more food than I expected.
We'll be fat by the end of this trip.
Yeah. Yeah.
We're about to go grab our scooter and go down to Crystal Point and hopefully snorkel with some manta rays. I said that like a weirdo. You okay? No? What's going on?
This is like super anxious. I can't breathe in the thing.
I'm having trouble too.
So we're actually going to go back out today, and we're going to try and make it to Kelingking Beach. It's about a 42-minute scooter ride. If it gets way too sketchy, I think we're just turning back.
And sunscreen.
Phones.
First aid.
First aid. And towels.
Bintang, bro.
This guy that was on the fast boat with us.
Look about
He
17.
must have been like 17 or 19. And he had like a Bintang, whole Bintang outfit. Bintang is like their local beer here. But he had like a shirt with like a shiny Bintang logo, like a
Gold
Bintang,
flake.
a gold flake Bintang logo shirt, a Bintang hat, and he just looked like, it was just funny. I guess we're just old assholes now. That was probably us, like, not too many years ago. This is so sketchy. Why they say don't drive on Nusa Penida. Ugh. We're gonna try and fly the drone. Hopefully it works. Hopefully our stuff doesn't get stolen by a monkey like Mount Batur.
Hopefully the drone comes back.
Ryan tried to land the drone in my hand, and my nails hit the propellers, and I think it broke 4 out of 5 of my nails.
The scooter's a while away. So good. Eating some hot corn on a hot day.
Bees.
And she burned her tongue like usual.
Alright, we're back on the bike now. We're gonna try and go to Broken Beach. Alright, change of plans.
Going back to the hotel.
We're just going back to the hotel and relaxing by the pool.
4 miles in only 45 minutes.
We spent the rest of the day today hanging out by the pool. We're gonna order some room service and probably go to bed early again. And tomorrow morning, we're gonna go back to Kelingking Beach and actually make the hike down this time. So that should be really cool to go to that little private beach down there. And then after that, we're gonna try and hit up some of the other spots on the west coast of Nusa Penida, like Broken Beach,
Or Angel's Billabong.
Angel's Billabong, things like that. We've got our burger, our pizza, chicken satay. We're all set.